Latest, I'm back. I know y'all miss me and I miss y'all too. So we're not even gonna do too much talking because I am gonna be doing a life update video letting you guys know where I've been, because sis, I've been going for like all of like 2.5 weeks, like going on 3 weeks. It's been crazy. You guys know I had a birthday and then I just kind of went on by my business as soon as I turned 26. I'm acting brand new and stuff. But anyway, I got a new wig or whatever. This wig is from Janet Collection. This is their Super Flow Deep Part Lace wig in the style Oscar, because it's Oscar award winning. Like, you're gonna look like you just went to go get an Oscar when you put this wig on. I don't know, I'm just saying that. You know, sometimes you gotta pump your sis up. You gotta pump her up. You gotta make her feel like, yes, sis, yes, you better get it. And you know she ain't getting nothing, but you just pumping her up anyway, because it's just like, girl, you gotta support your friends. Anyway, so this is the wig. This is what it comes in. I'm going to take this out. It has the typical, you know, lace situation. This is connected to this little white piece. So this little part comes off. It's connected to this little white piece. So I'm just gonna pop this off and pull her out, because we're getting right into this video. Take that net off. Y'all already know what the tea is. And she's short. Y'all know I don't even wear short hair, but when it comes to these synthetic wigs, it's like, I guess I could go shorter. And I'm lying because I got some bobs that's coming out for y'all. Y'all gonna love me, I know. Y'all gonna love me so much. So this is the wig straight out of the packaging. It has some really nice curls. They're very bouncy, super bouncy curls. I love that. I think this is gonna be cute. So this wig is looking like it's a side part. So it's a deep side part. And what it looks like on the lady is not what it's gonna look like on me, because me and her is not the same. We are not cut from the same cloth. We are not cut from the same lace, okay? So the lace is typical lace. I wouldn't say that it's hard lace. I wouldn't say it's soft lace. It's like a typical lace, okay? It's just lace. Lace is lace, okay? So the inside construction of the wig, let's get into it. This is the lace that you get. Keep in mind, all this lace right here is what we're gonna cut off. So the lace is just what you see in that part. It does have some combs in here. It has some combs on the side, which you guys know I'm gonna cut out. It has a comb at the bottom, is it? Yeah, it's a comb right here at the bottom. And then there's also adjustable straps in this wig, so you can adjust the wig to your head measurements. Now, if you've never tried a synthetic wig out before, I'm gonna tell you guys all of the things you guys are gonna need to apply your wig, okay? So the first thing that you're gonna need is a mirror, a handheld mirror, something like this. This I picked up at Ross, like I wanna say a year ago for $10. It probably still, yes, it still has the tag at the bottom, $9.99, girl. So yeah, you can pick one of these kinds of mirrors up pretty much anywhere nowadays. They even sell them at the 99-cent store. I've seen them. You're also gonna need some Got to Be Glued. People use Got to Be Glued for everything, but be very careful with this because it can instantly turn you from a baddie to like, no sis. So yeah, you definitely want to use some Got to Be Glued. This is a hairspray. It's just a very strong hairspray, and this is going to help adhere our wig. The other product that you're gonna need is some Got to Be Glued gel. The reason why we use these is just because this brand in particular has high, like it's very strong. So if you can really just use the hairspray by itself, or you can use it in conjunction with this gel. I typically now just use a gel for my baby hair, so that's why I have this. Another thing you're gonna need is some foundation. This is a foundation that doesn't quite fit my skin tone, but I still use it for my wigs because it works for my wigs. So that's what this is. So just get a foundation that maybe doesn't work for you anymore. You bought something at the store recently, doesn't fit, go ahead and use it for your wigs. Another thing you're gonna need is a rat tail comb. This is one that's just all janky, girl, look, okay? And that's that. Another thing you're gonna need is a makeup brush to go along with your foundation, because you are gonna use it for your wig cap, which is something you also need. You can pick these up at your local beauty supply store, and they usually have like 2 in a pack for $1. I also use a fishnet, and I put that over my hair, so I have like a fishnet underneath just to really like tame my hair underneath, and then I put this stocking cap on top, okay? You can reuse your stocking cap as many times as you want. I typically throw mine away once it just started looking raggedy or whatever. And then you're also gonna need a baby hair toothbrush. This is just an old toothbrush that I don't use anymore. I don't know, maybe you drop your toothbrush on the floor, you can't use it no more. So, you know, it's just a hood thing. You know, we use toothbrushes. Now, if you want to, you can buy, you know, the one that they sell in a beauty supply store, but we like to keep it G over here, and we're gonna use an old toothbrush, sis, okay? So now that we have that all out of the way, you're also going to need, of course, some scissors to cut your lace. So I'm going to cut the lace off of my wig, and then I will come back to you guys once that is done. The wig is supposed to go on the side, but I don't know how I feel about a side part. I'm gonna put it on the side just for, you know, just to show y'all what it looked like, I guess. The hair is really soft, by the way. Okay, so this is the wig. Looking dumb. Girl, looking a fool. I'm definitely not wearing it like this. Okay, but this is how the wig looks. If you just want to go to church, like this is that church lady look, okay? We going to church, the wig is super shiny, you know what I'm saying? Your grandma and them. Girl, no. That's what we not gonna do. We gonna go ahead and shift her down the middle. Cause y'all know I love a good middle part. Because this wig is not meant to be in the middle, we're gonna have to like train it to do what we want it to do. I am gonna pull these curls out as well, because I don't like them so uniform. I feel like that's what make it look so synthetic-y, is the fact that it's like super black, like, and shiny like this. But the curls are very soft and easy to run your fingers through. I do like that about the hair. I will say that. She's cute. But I just feel like I want to comb it just a little. So I don't want it to be like individual curls. I want it to be like, it's really pretty though. The other thing that I feel like I need to do with this wig, I would probably have to kind of push this part back a little bit so that this can come like that. And then to do the same thing on this side so that this can come like that. Because right now, just like this looks so crazy. Or let me try to do it from the side and just see. Maybe I could do like a super bang or something. And like have this piece coming back here. Okay, we getting somewhere. Girl, we getting somewhere, sis. Oh, okay, yes. She's getting cuter by the second. Okay. I see what you don't. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, don't hurt him, sis. Who, me? You don't want me to hurt him? Sis, that's all I do is hurt him. I don't know who told you different. They lied. Okay. Girl, when you start feeling yourself, don't talk to me. Once I start saying don't talk to me, it's a wrap. Like, it's a wrap, sis. Okay, so now that we know what we want and we know the kind of direction that we're going in, now we're gonna go ahead, get your foundation that I told you guys about before. So you're gonna get your hand, do like a little pumpity pump pump pow, and then I'm just taking a brush like this, gonna mix it around my head, and then I like to put it on my wig cap. My wig cap already has some foundation on it just from like the last time that I did my hair. And then I'm just going to kind of focus more of the foundation where I know my part is gonna be. So another thing that we're gonna do, our part is pretty thin. So a lot of people like to put concealer on the top, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip my wig inside out, and I'm gonna use the same foundation that we were using before, put it on the back of my hand, and then rub it around on the brush. You wanna make sure that you use circular motions because you don't want the foundation to be too settled into one part of your brush. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the wig, and then I'm just gonna go right on that part and put it in the inside of the wig. You don't wanna put it on the outside of the wig. You wanna put it on the inside, okay? Okay. We got our foundation in there. So now when you see it, boom, okay? But this is still not wide enough for me, so I definitely want to widen up the part. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a couple of strands of the hair, and I'm literally going to just pull them out. And this wig is actually easy to pull the hairs out. But just make sure you're not grabbing too many at one time, because if you do, then you'll rip a hole in the lace, And that has happened to me so many times, it's not even funny. Okay. So we've widened up that part a lot more, as you guys can see. So that's way better. It looks more natural. So now what we're gonna do is put our wig back on. I may or may not use, you see how that's so much better? So much better, sis. Okay. I may or may not use our Got to Be Glue spray. I'm still trying to determine that. So this is the new part, okay? And you see how it's kind of like raggedy, it's not like super straight, because I feel like when it is super straight like that, that's what really gives it away, like, oh yeah, that's a wig or whatever. So I'm going to pull some of the hair back, but I'm also going to pull a strand of this hair. Oh, there that goes. I'm going to pull a strand of this hair up front so I can have like a little sideburn type of situation going on. Okay. You don't have to include this little sideburn, but I'm gonna make mine there, okay? It's not gonna be that low, but like something like, okay? Just to have a little something right there, you know? I kind of want my hair to go back a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my hairspray, spray the wig back, and then use my blow dryer. Okay, so now that piece is gonna stay back like that. So the other thing that I am gonna do is add some baby hairs to this. That's too much hair. I like the lace on this wig though, that I do like. But not so much. Okay. And anything that I do is optional. You don't have to do what I do. I'm just showing you how I do what I do. So something like that, right? Just like that. And then I just get a little bit more, and then I'm gonna put it on top just to kind of like set all of that in place, right? Okay. So now I'm going to blow dry. Okay, so now that we've blow dried that part, we have our bangs still, right? Somewhat. Okay, so we have something like that. That's cute. But I still want this to come back some more. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna use my brush to help brush the hairs back. And then, okay. And you see how that baby hair is just perfectly placed, like right there. I love it. Okay, so now I need to like turn my light down or something. I don't know. I look so like ghostly. Ghost face killer. And that's literally it. Okay, so that's that part. This little piece right here is fine. And then pull this hair up front like that. Okay, haircut. So let me zoom you guys out now. The hair is absolutely beautiful. The hair is really soft and full, so if you like really full wigs, this is definitely one for you. The curls are soft and easy to run your fingers through. There's a little bit of tangling, just very minimal tangling before the, like right there, you see? Okay, so this is definitely a winner for sure. I do like this wig a lot. I would say that this is a wig that obviously you have to put some work into. It's not a just like, oh, let me just throw this wig on and go. I definitely managed to make it look a lot better than what it was looking like. I mean, the women on these things always look crazy. Like, it always looks crazy. Can y'all see what she looks like? So this is what I managed to do with this Oscar wig. I really love the wig. This is part of their newer collection. I can't stop running my fingers through these curls, as you guys can see. It's so cute. I highly recommend it. I will leave all of the info down in the description box down below because I don't know how much this wig costs or anything like that right now. I just kind of sat down and started recording with you guys. So yeah, all of the details will be down below. The color that I got, however, is the color 1B. I always get like jet black colors when it does come to synthetic wigs because I feel like those are the colors that like will look the most natural. So yeah, the hair has a sheen to it. I know some people use like dry shampoo to like take some of the shine out, but in person it's really not that shiny. It's kind of like your normal luster for hair. And in fact, honestly, I feel like I look better in person than I do on camera. That about wraps up this video, you guys. Make sure that you guys do follow me on social media. All of the links will be down below. Make sure you guys do give this video a thumbs up. If you guys like me doing synthetic wig reviews, definitely give this video a thumbs up so that I know that this is something that you guys want to see more of. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you guys tried this wig out, if you like this wig, or maybe if it's just not your cup of tea. Y'all know I be doing my voodoo magic on these wigs, sis. I don't know how they come out to look so good on me. I don't know how I do it, but I just do it, and it's just what I do. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.